Hey, what's up? Welcome to DGenEd. That's degenerative education, meaning none of this is financial advice. Just me having fun looking at charts like the chart behind me, which is of Luminar Technologies, ticker symbol LAZR. And so here I am recording this on Monday, June 10th, after the market has closed, and Laser closed at a price of $1.42, being down 0.7% on the day and being flat so far in the after hours. And so, yeah, I did want to follow up on this because number one, it was requested, and also because it does look like it has broken below this purple downtrend that I have drawn that looked like it was support over here with these two pivot points bouncing from it here, getting a little bit of a break below it, acting as resistance. And, it did look like it was potentially acting as support over here between May 23rd and 24th. But, we did break below it. So I'm curious to see if there are any levels to the downside that we might be finding as support. And so, looking at this Fibonacci retracement that I did from the low here of $1.21 up to the high of $2.32, unfortunately, we've broken below all of the levels. The 786 is at a price of right around $1.45. Since we are below that, that retracement is not really that useful anymore. So just to clean up the chart, I am going to delete that. And, in looking at the chart before making this video, I was trying to think of, what's a level, kind of a logical level that we might see price finding support at. And so I see all of this, consolidation here, finding a bottom here, potentially as acting as support. We've got all of these tops right around there. Any of that price action below, anybody who bought there will likely buy again if we dip below that white line. So that is why I drew it there at a price of $1.36. And so that is based on the opening price from April 15th, which was at exactly $1.36. And we've had multiple wicks up to that level. It does look like there was a number of rejections right around there. And with that being said, that being prior resistance, that level may act as support in the future. And so that's why I put that there. And something else that stands out to me, I haven't put it on the chart yet because I think it's pretty cool, is a Fibonacci extension I wanted to do for you guys, right now for the video. So I'm just going up to that Fibonacci extension tool, and I'm going to draw that from the high here that was hit on December 27th. That was at a price of $3.69. So just drawing from there, connecting to the low here at $1.21, and then going up to this high at $2.32. And so with that, and those levels adjusted to the exact pivot highs and lows from those days, we can see that the 382 retracement from that extension is at a price of $1.37.3. So right around that line that I drew at $1.36, and pretty close to the price action that we saw today, hitting a low of $1.38, being just above that fib level. So, I could see price being right around support. Maybe we're getting a bounce, and this is actually a fake out break below that purple downtrend. So I would look for a reclaim of that level, which could be coming to a price of right around $1.45, also corresponding with the 786 from the Fibonacci retracement that I had previously shown up here. So I do think that is a level to be looking for a close above in the coming days. Potentially weeks. And also I did want to point out too that I had drawn this purple uptrend here. I believe I was suggesting that this could be an inverse head and shoulders pattern with the left shoulder formed here, head right here. And as long as we stay above $1.21, we could potentially be putting in that right shoulder now, which would then suggest price would be getting up to that neckline, which would be right around a price of $2.45 or 50 cents. And if that is to be an inverse head and shoulders pattern, we can take a measurement from the head here up to the neckline to get an idea of where price could be going. And I believe I did this in a previous video, but that would suggest price to be going to right around 350. And if we're getting up there, maybe we'd even be getting up to this green line here, right around $4 a share, just being kind of a psychological level because we do like those zeros and whole dollar numbers. and that did act as a pivot low over here on September 26th. And we did get a little bit of support there before that being tested as resistance in early November. And so maybe we will be seeing a test of $4 a share later this year. But first, we need to reclaim 145, and I think it could be happening in the next week or so. But, those are just my thoughts. If you found them helpful, make sure you like the video, share your thoughts in the comments down below, and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thanks a lot for watching.